Hello everyone, it's Mavis. I'm here with a second video and I'm here today to share a very simple recipe with you. It is scones. So we have some sugar, milk, butter. I also have all-purpose flour, dried cranberries, baking powder, salt, and that's it. Very simple recipe. Okay, so right now I'm just putting in the flour. And I'm just gonna add everything. It's a very simple recipe. I don't want to complicate anything, so here we go. Just add everything into your mixing bowl, and basically that's it. Complete recipe will be in the description box. I'm just mixing this now on a very low speed for a minute or so. Let the butter and the flour mixture incorporate a bit more to crumbly texture, and then I added the cranberries. Let it run for a minute, and that's it. So after it makes for about a minute or so, you can add in your dried fruits. Here I am just adding in dried cranberries. You can also use raisins, or you can just leave it out. You don't have to use fruits, but that's my preference. I really like the cranberries, so that's what I used. Right now I'm just mixing in the creamy milk, just lightly whisking it before it goes into the flour mixture. I'm adding in just half of the egg mixture, and I let it run for a bit. Stop the machine, mix it, and then add the rest of the egg mixture. So after dividing the dough into two, I decided to just flatten it out, make a circle, and then cut it up into wedges. You can also just roll it out a little bit more thinner and then use round cutters or any type of cutters you have at all to just cut it at this point. Or get your kids involved. I'm sure they'll have fun helping you in the kitchen. Okay, can cut it. So the next stage or the final stage is to make our egg wash. So the egg wash, I just used 1 egg and a 1/4 cup of milk, whisk it together, and I use a pastry brush to just brush it on the scones before I bake it. So I bake the scones in a 375-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. And at the 15-minute mark, I just rotated the tray so it doesn't burn, or just bake it until it's golden brown. And here's my son taking the first bite. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe.